Hi there. Today I am making tasty tea time snacks. You can also make it in breakfast or for kids' lunchbox. All you need is puff pastry, chicken, and some spices to add flavor. Chop 1 onion and a few garlic cloves. Saute onion in 3 tablespoon oil. When onion becomes pink, add chopped garlic. Fry it for a couple of minutes, then add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, ground coriander, and add chicken. Fry chicken with salt and pepper. You can adjust seasoning according to your taste. I am adding 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon pepper. Now add half a glass of water and let it cook for 15 minutes on low to medium flame. Once the chicken becomes tender, dry up the extra water and shred the chicken using a fork. Now add chopped ginger, green chilies, and coriander. Fry for a minute and then add 4 tablespoons cream. Add 2 tablespoons ketchup and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. You can also add vegetables if you like. Now the filling is ready. Let it cool for 5 minutes. Grab a puff pastry sheet and shape it the way you like. Add the filling and seal it from all sides. Brush it with egg wash and bake in the air fryer for 10 to 15 minutes on 200°C. Keep checking during baking. Duration may vary depending on your appliance. Here's my tasty snack. You can call it a patty or a pastry. Choice is yours. Try the recipe and give me your feedback. Thanks for watching.